So, I heard that you have found somebody else for us to raid.
I sure have.
Nice.
Yeah,
We
not a long drive. So I
Roger
lost my
that.
good backpack, and I only have this little thing. This little
Same.
guy.
Same. Okay.
Hi-oh, silver. Away. Should I drive, I guess, since I know location?
Yep, you know where it's at.
That little guy.
Oh,
Don't want to worry about that little guy. I'll ask you, Stacy, until the vehicle is stopped moving, sir. You are now safe to exit the vehicle. How well it's hidden.
right. All right, let's roll. You're lost, aren't you?
No. It's just right around the river bend right here. This way. A lot of these trees look the same, you know?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Ah, look at that.
Hey.
Hello?
Gross. Do we still have those explosives from that crate?
Yeah, I brought 2 of those. I think it was just the 2 for you, Mike's. Well, not a screwdrivers.
Looks like we're blowing our way in.
Kaboom!
Alright, here I go.
Oh my goodness.
Got a zombie running up on me. Wow. Thank you. That was like just in time.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Didn't they have like AT4s in that chest?
They did. I didn't actually see if it was loaded. It might have been loaded. It didn't have any
Rockets,
rockets.
right? You wanna grab that?
Yeah, you want to hold here?
Yeah.
What side are they on?
They were running towards the front.
doors open?
I didn't.
You're walking.
Is the walking inside? Can you tell?
It appears to be, but I'm not 100%.
Is it walking on grass or is it
Yeah.
walking? Okay.
It sounded like he walked from the front of the base to the back of the base, but I can't tell for sure. What was he running from the west to the front?
He was running from the north to the front.
So he ran past you.
On the east side of the base. Yeah.
Okay. So he can very well be outside the base still.
Could be. I hear moving.
Yep. Appears to be inside the base, yeah.
That's what it sounds like. I see him.
Inside or outside?
He's inside.
Is he like peeking through the walls at you? Is that you? Is he shooting at you or are you shooting at him?
I was shooting at him. I was able to see him through the crack. I feel like every single one of those shots were on, but it wasn't getting him. I ran away, so keep an eye on that front door. I'm doing a wide flank, trying to get to the other side of the base.
Okay. Yeah, I got the only way out locked down. I mean, if you open them, he's smoked. He just killed himself.
I heard it.
My only thought for that would be he has another kit or box out here. He's gonna try to come in from the rear. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's possible.
Or if you made him bleed out, if you hit him. Maybe he killed himself so he didn't bleed out?
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, the cave is clear. Alright, throwing the grenade. Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Alright. Do you want to take my position over? I can see if those AT4s had anything.
Yeah, we could do that.
Alright. Careful for them coming up from the rear.
Yeah.
Both are loaded.
Nice. What's your ETA with the rockets?
About a minute out, 2 minutes out.
Roger that, over.
I am worried that we'll get in there and the other door's gonna be locked.
Alright. Watch out for backbot. going straight across. You ready?
Yep.
Moving. Left side of the cabin's clear.
Right side clear.
Pushing forward. Careful with the crossfire. Go ahead and lean and check that corner.
Clear.
Clear.
Doors are locked.
Okay, I'm coming out. Doors locked as well. Alright. Use the other rocket, I guess.
We'll huff, huff, and blow your door down.
Alright, firing.
Vehicle. Two vehicles.
This door is also locked.
Car's unlocked.
This one's not. So you don't have any more screwdrivers at all? Well,
Working on it right now. Reach out to allies.
They didn't have any mines out.
No.
at least none that we've come across.
I am just north of the lake. Parked it over here. Yeah, I'm here. Coming in.
Yep.
Your footsteps, Spectre?
Yep.
Yeah, I hear you. You're laying down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's getting robbed.
That's all it was for me. I was getting so close. I'd get like a full turn all the way on it, and it would just break right then.
Oh, he got it open.
One chest.
Yeah,
That lock too.
Oh, yep, it sure is. Shoot the lock off.
Nice, good work.
You got a bayonet? Destroy those meds.
They have an action
I
here.
got a bayonet.
Okay.
I can pretty much pick all their chests with what they have in here.
Hell yeah,
Nice.
do
It's a
it.
good one to start with.
Yep. Look at that.
Oh wow, yeah. That's what's up.
Yep.
If you want to hit that dial lock,
But yeah.
be all methodical about it, like Mustache Man says over there.
You can grab that crate from the car I just.
You know, I'm just gonna take the whole crate.
Oh yes, now it's unlocked, huh?
Yep. Mark's loot. He's got a starter bank card in there.
Nice. We really need ammo.
Black Gilly. Oh yeah, they do have some good stuff in here. What of this do you want, baby?
I just kind of replenished my lockpicking stuff, and we don't really need anything.
Yeah, for a small base, they're pretty stacked.
Hopefully, 'cause we're hurting on loot.
I was gonna say after that last raid,
We need everything.
yeah, I'm happy with what we're finding in here. You know.
Was there some big backpacks?
Yeah, there's a blue
There's
one
a couple, yeah.
right
Sweet.
here.
Yeah, we had 0.
I grabbed a tan one.
All right, I'm gonna peace out.
Hey,
Okay, thanks, man.
I appreciate your help.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude.
hey, that key card's in our red car, Spectre. You want to go with him and get him that?
Where'd you park it at? Same place?
Right on campfire, yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you, says.
No, thank you.
Is that Zach's loot? Which one was that?
Yep, Zach's loot.
He didn't have shit in there.
No, he's got shit in here.
Oh, he's got BCUs.
Yep. He's got this
Jack's.
green armor. We'll take that.
Do we want to take both cars, and then we can always just sell one?
No, we can leave them with one.
I don't want to. And you said we're gonna leave him a car?
Yeah.
Alrighty. You want to drive this one home, and I'll grab the other one?
Hell yeah, I want to drive the new car home.
Try to keep up if you can.
That was pretty tight.
It was. It's something out of it.
High five? Oh. Oop. High five?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Wait, that's not the right one.
Uh-huh. Yeah.